Here's a certified 2017 BMW i3. The sustainable design, undeniable agility, and astounding performance and efficiency all make up an EV that's bound to shift the way you think about driving. Features include external memory control, cabin preconditioning, doors and push-button start proximity key, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system, front heated bucket seats, rear-wheel drive, rear parking sensors, and LED low-beam headlights. New car test drive find, like all cars powered by an electric motor, the i3 has instant torque, which means great pickup off the line. The chassis is stiff and suspension is firm, yet compliant. A tight turning radius makes it great for maneuvering through parking lots and for flipping U-turns. BMW, sheer driving pleasure. Experience it for yourself today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.